Welcome in new Samsung tricky video. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to hide notifications on the lock screen of a Samsung phone. Many people find it annoying and intrusive when their personal messages and notifications pop up on the lock screen for everyone to see. Fortunately, Samsung offers a simple solution to address this issue. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap notifications. After that, tap lock screen notifications. To hide notifications on the lock screen of your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, Tech and Tech L, for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.